See, you need to understand the glories of this Shakti Aveshanama. That is the purpose of this particular module, is to understand the omnipotency of the Shakti Aveshanama. Again, let us take the example. When I incarnate in this body, when the transcendental self, which is me, my soul incarnates in this body. Whatever I want, I do to the body, number one. Number two, whatever I want, I cannot do also. Suppose I want to fly like a bird. I cannot. I can wish, but my body doesn't allow. Body doesn't allow. Now come to Krishna's name. Krishna's name is Krishna. Everything that Krishna in his form could do, the Nama can do. The Nama Prabhu can do. There is no difference at all. So the Shakti Aveshanama is omnipotent. He can do anything. Just like the deity, the Aprakrita Rupa of Krishna has taken the particular form of the external Vigraha, which we discussed the other day. Somebody said, how can the external form of the Lord, so many external forms he takes, then what happens to his original form? One thing we need to understand this. These are all glories of the Supreme Lord. The Lord's original form contains all forms in existence. It's not a small. Suppose I have a form. This form of the bead does not contain the form of this phone. One form is one form. But the Lord's form, original form, in the spiritual world, Radha and Krishna, their forms can transform, can manifest, can exhibit into different forms that we make as Archa Vigraha, like Radha Krishna Chandra, Radha Vrindavan Chandra, Radha Madhava, whatever external form he takes. So it's not that we have to understand that the Lord's form is not like ordinary form you cannot think of. It's a form which can have unlimited forms. Just like even ordinary, you take little atta. Atta is a substance, right? Same substance, I can convert it into 100 puris, or I can convert it into, let's say, 50 chapatis. Or I can convert it into small diamonds, which you fry. I can convert it. Then you will say, atta is, which is original, where is the atta? Means where is what is the original form of the atta? This is a very crude example. In the place of the atta, the original form of the Lord, Satchidananda form of the Lord, can take unlimited forms, just like puri, chapati, like that. And that is him. And that is him. So this principle about God is not a God's form, name, qualities, all not like normal understanding that we have. It is completely different. That is why it's Vishnu Tattva. Krishna Tattva is different from Jiva Tattva. Jiva is everything limited. Whereas Vishnu Tattva, just like the man is created out of the image of God, they say. So we only image of God. Really God we do not know how much. Like God can sit in Golok Vrindavan and his eyes can see everything. Is there any limitation? No limitation. And this is very easy to conceive also. For instance, you see, if I am sitting in this room and I can say, to the extent to which my eyes can see, 100 feet, 20 feet, I say that I am there. I am in this room. I can make a statement. But I am not in the room. Where am I? I am sitting on this chair. My location is specifically chair. But I say I am in this room. Now take God. He is in the spiritual world. His eyes has no limitations of distance. So therefore the whole world, the whole existence is his room. Just for his wish he will be there. And that is what, when in Kalikale, Krishna Nama Rupa Avatara means when he's wished and he's there. Moment to chant, he's there. For us to receive our service and to reciprocate.